Welcome to our ultimate guide on the best mops of 2024. Tired of dirty floors? We've tested the top contenders to help you find the perfect cleaning companion. Stick around to discover which mop will make your cleaning routine a breeze. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Rubbermaid Reveal Microfiber Spray Mop. This is a lightweight yet durable mop that eliminates the need for a mop bucket. The cleaning kit includes 3 machine-washable microfiber mop heads and 2 solution bottles, offering a cost-effective and versatile cleaning solution. This eco-friendly design requires no batteries, disposable pads, or proprietary cleaning solutions. The reusable microfiber pads can be used dry for dusting or with a cleaner for mopping. The mop head also features a scrubbing pad to tackle tougher messes. Our chief scientist, Dave Ellerby, has used his for over a decade, and it's still going strong. The latest version boasts an even more robust build and a larger scrubbing pad for tough stains, making it the best mop you can buy. Number 2. O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System. This is a great choice for those who prefer the traditional mop and bucket style. It features a removable, machine-washable mop head, a convenient bucket for wetting and rinsing, and a spinning mechanism that efficiently wrings out excess water. The mop spinner was the easiest and most effective of all models tested, needing just one spin to remove most of the water. However, its large bucket and mop head require more storage space and prep time, which could be an issue for those in smaller living spaces. Despite this, the O-Cedar Twist Mop effectively cleans everyday dirt and spills on hardwood, tile, or linoleum, though it requires more physical effort due to its manual design. Number 3. Norwex Superior Mop Starter System. This is an eco-friendly choice that requires no chemical cleaners, just water. It includes a dry microfiber pad for dusting and sweeping and a wet mop head that effectively picks up dirt and germs using patented microfiber technology without the need for antibacterial solutions. The mop head is easy to clean. Simply rinse under hot water and toss it in the washer when done. The only downside is the lack of a built-in wringing mechanism, so you'll need to wring out the mop by hand. Despite its higher price, the Norwex mop delivers excellent results, even removing sticky residues and dirt missed by other mops. Number 4. Swiffer PowerMop Multi-Surface Kit. It improves upon the WetJet with a larger 16-inch mop head and thicker tufted pads, making it more efficient at covering larger areas and picking up messes, like soaking up a whole glass of milk in our tests. It retains the familiar cleaning solution jets activated by a trigger and disposable mop pads, but adds a redesigned solution bottle attachment mechanism that clicks into place with minimal leakage. However, the downside is the recurring cost of Swiffer mop pads and cleaning solution, with the smaller solution bottles costing about as much as WetJet's larger bottles. Overall, the PowerMop is a great upgrade for Swiffer fans, offering improved performance and convenience. Number 5. Swiffer WetJet Mop Starter Kit. This is an easy-to-use cleaning tool that eliminates the need for a bucket and mop, offering quick and efficient floor cleaning. It's incredibly convenient for last-minute cleaning sessions, as you can sweep your floor in seconds after attaching a disposable cleaning pad and loading the solution bottle. The WetJet uses 4 AAA batteries to power the solution sprayer, and the cleaning head is easily removable for disposal. However, it's less ideal for large spills, as the mop head can only hold so much liquid, requiring multiple pads for bigger messes. While it's a handy and quick solution, frequent replacement of mop pads adds to the ongoing cost. So, which is the best? After thorough testing, the O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System takes the crown for its efficiency and ease of use. Happy mopping!